Hi guys! In this video I'm going to show you a couple of things to do with pipe clamps that you've probably never seen before. Let's get into it! Did you know you can use your pipe clamp as a hold down? Come and have a look. All you need to do is drill a hole in your worktop the size of your pipe clamp. And then take the bottom of the pipe clamp, pop it under the table, and now I can hold my work down firmly on the table for such things as routing a groove along the edge, or carving, planing, and we've got a great way of holding the work firmly on the table. Okay, did you know you can use your pipe clamps as a vise? Watch this. Take a piece of wood, drill a hole the diameter of your pipe clamp, take another piece of wood and drill a hole the diameter of your pipe clamp. Screw this onto your table. Take the back of the pipe clamp, like this, and look, we've got a vise. Here I have a small piece of wood so that I can just put in there a spacer the thickness of my workpiece to hold the work parallel. So I just drop in there a piece of inch material. I can put my workpiece in here now, close this up, close up the back, close my new vise, hold my work firmly for planing, for example. So there you go, how to make a vise out of a pipe clamp. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something new about pipe clamps, and if you need a vise or something like that, or a hold down, now you have a solution without spending any money. Okay, if you liked it, please like. If you share it with your friends, subscribe, comment below, and if you ring that little bell, you'll get notifications every time I upload a video, and that's once a week. So, see you in the next one. Bye.